Hi guys, this is KittyCatCreations and this is my audition video for Sweetorials. This tutorial I will show you how I recreate the ChocoCat keycap using polymer clay. Let's get started. The materials are ball chain and a key of your choice, cookie cutter, ball tool, blade, rolling pin, Fimo Deco Gel, Fimo in vanilla and aqua, Fimo in black, Fimo in white, and Fimo in cognac, cotton and acetone, brush and clay varnish, and a clip of this kind. Let's begin. Flatten your clay using a rolling pin, then cut 2 circles with your cookie cutter. Then place the key on the clay like so. Smooth the rough edges using your fingers. For the ears, make a pair of small triangles using the black clay. Then another smaller pair of triangles using the vanilla clay. Then put the yellow clay over the black clay, like so. And then attach the ears. Poke 2 holes on each side of the head for the whiskers that we're going to make later. Using the aqua color, roll a little snake for the color. Make 2 little balls out of white clay for the eyes. Then black clay for the pupils. Then a little amount of cognac color for the nose. For the whiskers, roll a little snake and cut it into 4 pieces. Put some Fimo Deco Gel onto the holes. And this is to secure the whiskers. Then place the whiskers like so. this is optional. Using the ball tool, poke the hole onto the forehead and to the back of the head for the ball chain. Then bake your project according to the package instructions. I am baking mine for 30 minutes in 110 degrees Celsius. After the clay has been baked, let's clean it with an acetone to remove the dust and fingerprints. After you clean the project, now it's time to glaze. Then let it dry for 30 minutes. Put the ball chain and you're done. I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Bye!